Yep, this is what I started with. This bathroom countertop had already been through one makeover, and it was definitely time for another one. So instead of replacing it, I wanted to see if I could completely change it with appliance epoxy and do it on a budget. So what I started with was with some contact paper. It was builder grade laminate, so I wanted something that looked a little more quote unquote upscale from what it was. And after a while, I said, no, I think I'm good. So what I did is I removed that contact paper, and then I did the cleaning and sanding and prepping. I used a 220 sand grit, I'm pretty sure. I did go ahead and put up some tape because eventually I'm going to go ahead and paint that vanity. So I went ahead and I epoxied that first coat on with a roller, and then I did take a small foam brush to go around the edges and kind of feathered them out. And then I let that dry and cure for about 24 hours with a fan going overnight. Then the second coat, I did the exact same thing. I put the epoxy down, went ahead and used a small foam 4-inch roller for that, and then also took a foam brush and kind of feathered out the edges. The faucet, that was something where I looked at it and I said, I can't let that thing sit silver. I can't. It needs to match my other bathrooms. But this is the before and after. What I learned is that it does take, again, a lot of time as far as curing, but in the end, it is definitely worth it if you are just so sick and tired of looking at a plain laminate countertop. You just want something different. Let me know if you end up doing this. I would be super excited to see what your results were doing this. I can't wait to see it. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't yet, just hit subscribe, like this video. It does help me reach everyone that I possibly can to show them that they also can go ahead and try something on a budget that works. Bye.